Hey guys, this week's makeup tray is going to be a 2-week makeup tray because we are closing on our new house in less than 2 weeks and everything will be packed. So this is what I'm working with for the next 2 weeks. Let's start off with some new products by Ruby Kisses, which is a new brand available at CVS drugstores. I just saw them popping up. There's an entire display, a whole range of products. We're going to be trying their lipstick, their contour palette, their strobing powder, which looks beautiful, some setting powders, some concealers, some liquid lipsticks, and a mascara. So that is one of the first things I'm going to be trying out in the next couple weeks. Also, Physicians Formula was kind enough to send me their entire range of their new liquid lipsticks. The packaging looks incredibly high-end. I cannot wait to try these. I plan to do a lip swatch video of the entire line, so stay tuned for that. Maybelline was also kind enough to send over some of their new launches. These are the Python lips. They come in a variety of wild colors, so I'm curious to try those. I may do a lip swatch video of that entire collection as well. I'm also going to be trying some Sulwhasoo blushes and the hydrating mist. These are beautiful. I've tried these a few times. They're almost too pretty to use, but I want to add more Sulwhasoo products into my daily routines because they're really, really high quality products. I'm also going to be trying some other products by Maybelline. This is the Superstay foundation. I have never tried this, so very curious to see how this works. This highlight, which is absolutely gorgeous, a new primer, the Total Temptation mascara, and brow products. Just a lot of fun products from Maybelline that are brand new to the shelves. I also plan to try the Viva La Juicy fragrance in the next couple weeks, and these highlight pots from CoverGirl. I'm not exactly sure how they're meant to be used, but I have the entire range, so I'll be doing a swatch video of those, so stay tuned for that. I also picked up these Catrice concealers, which come highly recommended by Tati, the famous YouTuber that I absolutely adore. I also picked up the Wet n Wild Cushion Foundation, which has been showing up at CVS's in my area. Also, these two palettes from Maybelline, which were sent in PR. They look beautiful. I can't wait to try them. And then I've picked up this Makeup Revolution palette collab with Sophx. I've never tried a Makeup Revolution palette before, so I'm super excited to try that out. So that's it for this makeup tray video. Hopefully there's enough new and exciting products in here for you guys to stay interested. So stay tuned for upcoming videos featuring these products, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Oh, and one more thing. Happy